Monday's hearing could be an early indication of how the case will progress. As attorneys for former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, prosecutors at Fulton District Attorney's Office prepare to appear in court Monday for first federal hearing in prosecutors' extensive racketeering case. Sources told ABC News that lawyers and aides to former President Donald Trump, other aides.Some of 17 defendants will be watching trial closely. The evidentiary hearing, scheduled for Monday morning before Judge Steve Jones, took place as part of efforts to have Meadows' trial moved to federal court, and is expected to be an important first indication of how the case will progress. Sources close to some of the 19 defendants, including Trump, Meadows and former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani, told ABC News that legal teams for many of the defendants will closely monitor Monday's hearing. Sources aren't clear on many involved in the case what the consequences will be if Meadows' case goes to federal court, and whether that will bring all 19 defendants or leave their cases to state court. This is something completely untested, a lawyer for one of the defendants in the case told ABC News. Former Georgia prosecutor Chris Timmons told ABC News about charges against Meadows, including Trump's role in a phone call with Georgia Secretary of State Brad on January 2, 2021. The subject matter in case is within scope of its mandate. At Raffensperger, Trump asked Raffensperger to find number votes needed to win Georgia. White House Chief of Staff at the time, Mark Meadows, speaks to reporters at the White House in Washington on October 21, 2020. BrandonAP. File. According to court filings, at least 5 defendants charged in the prosecutor's case have requested that the case be taken to federal court. Meadows was the first person from the group be allowed hearing. Jeffrey Clark, a former Justice Department official, is due for hearing on his request to have his case taken federal court on September 18. In a statement before boarding his plane after surrendering in Fulton County on Thursday, Trump said he had the right to contest an election as we think it was an dishonest election. We did nothing wrong, said Trump, continuing the false claim that the election was stolen. Following the judge's decision, former Trump campaign attorney Sidney Powell also had a speedy trial requested. Trump's lawyers demanded that the hearing be reserved, arguing that the preparations should take more time.